We want to update you now on the coronavirus here in Indiana. Today, we saw another increase, 927 new positive cases reported by the Department of Health. And keep in mind, this is a Sunday. We don't typically see a count that high on a weekend. It's when we usually see the lowest numbers reported because of a lag in reporting results. But today marks the second highest number of cases the state's reported since the start of the pandemic. Take a look. There we are at 927. That's today, the highest. 946 all the way back at the end of April. And we want to take you beyond the numbers as well. Take a look at the dotted line on this graphic. It shows the new cases every day, definitely trending upward right now, not the direction we want currently. And want to show you another trend as well. This chart you see shows the 7-day moving average. This average basically smooths out any anomalies or drastic ups and downs during a week to really show a clearer picture of what's really happening in case trends. Well, take a look. You can see that it was at 702 at the end of April. If you follow the dotted line, it starts to go down in May and in June, but then in July, we start climbing again, and this marks today. We're at 715. That's the highest point of the pandemic so far. All of this is why Governor Holcomb and state health leaders are really encouraging you to wear a mask, practice social distancing, but not everyone's doing it. As Karen Campbell shows us, that's why some stores are now taking it upon themselves to make sure you're wearing a mask when you shop.
Kroger has joined a long list of national retailers that will begin mandating the use of face masks.
There's virtually nothing that government does except be bad.
But not everyone is happy about it.
Not just about masks, because mask is today.
Protesters at the Indiana State House Sunday say wearing a mask is unconstitutional, and they don't trust the science.
We will stand in solidarity to reclaim the individual freedoms that we have been stripped of to this point.
They made their message loud and clear.
We will not comply.
State health leaders have recorded more than 56,000 positive coronavirus cases and more than 2,600 deaths. With the increase of coronavirus cases happening here in Indiana and across the country, starting Wednesday, you won't be able to get inside of Kroger without a mask. Home Depot will also require masks starting Wednesday. But on Monday, stores like Walmart, Sam's Club, Meijer, Lowe's, Kohl's, and CVS will all require masks before you can enter their stores. For many, wearing a mask is simple.
To protect other people, to protect my grandchild, my daughter, and anybody else.
Hopefully it will cut the spread of the COVID down.
I have grandparents that are older in age, and I've got an aunt with Down syndrome living in an assisted facility, and I want them to be safe.
The director of the National Institutes of Health urging people to take precautions.
And now here we are, not only with 70,000 new cases almost every day, but from my perspective also quite concerning the number of hospitalizations, which is very close to being as high in the country as it was back in April. So yeah, we got to really double down here. And
in hopes of winning the fight over coronavirus.
Now, Karen mentioned some of the stores that are requiring masks tomorrow. And just over the last couple of hours, we've learned that PetSmart and Petco will also require masks tomorrow, Walgreens as well. And you'll have to wear a mask in Aldi starting next Monday, July 27th. And Target's mask policy begins on August 1st.